Hey everyone, this is my 2004 Nissan 350Z. Pretty much stock, gray leather interior, uh, enthusiast trim, I believe. It's got this strange spoiler. I don't know if it's factory. Standard Nissan rims, not the greatest. It has some imperfections, this minor scratches. Antenna's a little warped. I don't know if it catches on camera, but the driver's side tail light has water in it, so there's a leak somewhere. Headlights have been restored. Orange interior, orange and black interior, orange seats. Not sure how I feel about that. Seats are alright for a 20 plus year old car, but it's got some wear for sure. Everything pretty much stock, even the stereo system is stock. The engine bay, stock. Some minor rust on the strut brace. Overall, pretty clean. I think there's something wrong with the driver door handle or the lock actuator. I'm not sure. Takes a few tries. Probably get that fixed. Again, six-speed manual. Some wear, typical Nissan wear on the plastics. Passenger door is okay. It's good. The driver's side is seen better days. It's also not that secure. To see if there's a clip or something that's broken or something. Let's fire it up. close up on the exhaust. Stock exhaust.